Uncovering secrets with words. Understanding, ferret out. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, ferret out. Whether you've heard it in a movie, read it in a book, or stumbled upon it in a conversation, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily English. So, let's get started. Before we understand what ferret out means, it's helpful to know where it comes from. The word ferret is actually the name of a small, furry animal known for its long body and curious nature. Ferrets are particularly good at digging into tight spaces and hunting rabbits out of their burrows. So, when we use the phrase, ferret out, we're drawing on this image of the ferret as a persistent and effective seeker. Now, when we use the phrase, ferret out, in conversation or writing, we're talking about the action of searching for something in a thorough and often clever way. It means to discover something by careful investigation or searching. It's not just looking for something. It's more about digging deep to find information that is not easily accessible or is hidden. To give you a better understanding, let's see how ferret out can be used in different sentences. The detective managed to ferret out the truth from the witnesses. Journalists need to ferret out the facts to report the story accurately. I had to ferret out the old documents from the back of the storage room. These examples show that ferret out can be used in various contexts where discovery and investigation are involved. If you're looking to vary your language, there are several synonyms you can use that convey a similar meaning. Some of these include uncover, dig up, root out, sniff out, track down. While these synonyms are similar, they can carry slightly different connotations, so always consider the context in which you're using them. And there you have it. You're now equipped to use the phrase, ferret out, in your English conversations and writing. It's a fun and evocative way to describe the act of discovering hidden truths or digging for hard-to-find information. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're a little more confident in your English language skills. Keep practicing, and don't forget to ferret out new opportunities to use your English. Until next time, happy learning!